Okay, it is Friday night and I want to make pizza. It is weekend. I gotta get a meal together really quick. So we're gonna make pizzas on bread. You can grab French toast. This is actually gluten-free baguette.
Yummy, delicious pizza.
Yummy, delicious. Recording, but I wasn't. So let me just do an overview. Obviously, it happened for a reason. Of tonight, I gotta feed the kids. We're homeschooling. We got weekly chores. It's dark already, and I would like to get food on the table. So I'm making what's called bread pizzas, where you can take French bread. I took gluten-free bread, cut it in half, and I made a garlic butter. This tool, if you guys dread peeling garlic, I don't know where my dad found it, but you pop them in there and it just peels it instantaneously. It's amazing. And then I just shaved about 4 of them in here. This is about half full. So this is 13 ounces. So 6, 7 ounces full. I put about 3, 4, I'm gonna say 3 garlic cloves because some of them were smaller. And so those 2 would equal 1. Mixed it together. I also mixed in there, not oregano, but you could. I also mixed in there about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning and a teaspoon or 2 of parsley. Often I'm hearing people lately say, oh, I don't know how to cook, or I'm not a very good cook. Really, the secret to cooking, you guys, is learning to use spices and feeling like you can liberally use them. They're delicious. So I mixed that up, and then I just to not live whimsically, to be a good steward of your money. For me, tonight is definitely a meal on a budget. You know, pizza night. How much do you guys really spend when you go take the family out for pizza? This meal probably costs, now granted the ingredients are really high quality, and I think that's something to keep in consideration. I probably spent about $15 on this portion of the meal. Awesome Rockstar Dad Health Coach is cutting up a salad that we'll eat with it. We could throw some green beans to enjoy with it. If my fridge wasn't barren and I'd made it to the grocery store, an easy hiding vegetable you can put on here is zucchini. You cut it up really thin and you lay it on there. And when it mixes with the garlic butter, it tastes divine. It's so delicious. And you don't even, my kids and us, we don't even notice it's on there, because the texture of zucchini is what's bothersome to my kids. But when it's thin like that, they don't have that texture. Pepperonis on top, and I have the oven heating up to 450. Once that beeps, I'll throw these in. my parents are chefs, so let me pass on to you some of my tips of things that I creatively came up with as a kid to feed myself. When nobody was around to feed me, I would put something together like this and feed me very quickly and delicious. So that was one thing. Another tip that I would pass on for my parents is clean up as you go. There's no reason to wait till after dinner to clean up the entire kitchen. Let's see if I make a shot. Minute. Be sure to use a non-toxic cleaner that's safe around food. I use doTERRA's cleaner because it is free of toxins, it's pure. If it gets on some of the food and stuff, I don't have to worry. And what I love, it's like $14 wholesale, and it lasts me for several months. So I can use it in my bathroom, in my kitchen. And my favorite part is that not only is it awesome for cleaning, but they've shown that the surfaces that have been cleaned with it are clean for several days, up to 7 days. All right, here we go.
Pizza!
Okay, pizzas are going in. Put a timer on for 7 minutes to start and then check on them. So now I'm going to broil them. I hit broil. Just to really crispify the top there. At this point, always remember to put on a timer. Come here. Just like 1 minute at a time is what I do. Ooh, that was hard to do off of looking. Delicious! Dinner is served along with a salad and pineapple for dessert. One thing that the Europeans do is what, Joey?
You already said it's a tradition. Instead of eating a sweet sugar dessert, they eat fruit dessert.